Hey everybody!
Hey!
It's Frank and Gary, your favorite DIY castle people that founded old abandoned mansion, Romanesque revival abandoned mansion.
Yes.
And if you haven't noticed in our intros, we kind of give you hints of what we're working on at the exact time that we record the intro.
Right.
And so some people might recognize this as the basement. So
It's the sunken living room.
Yeah. And so welcome back to the Sunday morning edition. And if people are new here, we have like 150 videos on this castle.
Something like that, yeah.
Yeah, it's over 100. Hi, kitten.
Hi, kitten.
But what's today's video?
Today we are actually starting the work on making the platform, where last week we did the covering of the stained glass, preparing for this, and this week we are actually building the platform, and then we get actually started on the work.
Now, is this voiceover, or does the camera and microphone work on this one?
I think the microphones actually worked on this one, so there's not going to be any bad lip reading.
Thank you for struggling through that with us the last couple ones. So
we appreciate it. So
enjoy the video.
Thanks for watching. Bertha is at it again. We had to go get some lumber to do a temporary platform to work on the stained glass area. Much easier putting it through the window than carrying all of that up the stairs.
This is the gentleman's way to do this.
Work smarter, not harder.
Make Bertha do the work.
That's exactly right. That's her job. There it is, all stacked up, ready to make a platform for this area so we can support up there, work and get all this stuff taken down safely. EcoFlow to the rescue.
It's just a big battery.
Yeah, it is, but you know, hey, it works.
It's better than trying to use a big saw like that off of a 300 feet of extension cord.
Yep, it does a good job. That is the start of the work platform, so that we can safely work in this area. Yeah. Nobody wants to work above this area on a ladder. That's just not safe.
Nope.
So.
It's gonna be a work platform. It's gonna be a work platform / holding up the house.
That's a good kind of platform. Okay.
case you're wondering what I'm doing, I'm transferring the load we have on the attic floor down to this beam. There's a brick wall here, so I have the post on the brick wall, and then I have 3 2x12s spanning the 14 feet across here, and I'm going to transfer the weight of the roof to these brick walls so I can redo the floor and that big beam over there.
Very good.
So, I didn't consult the structure engineer, but I overbuilt it by a lot. And it's only temporary.
Yeah,
It'll hold, I promise.
it'll hold.
Because we've had it held by 3 2x8s, but they're sagging a little bit.
Yeah.
And it's going to be double purpose, because I'm going to put 2x4s this way and a platform on top, so we can work on the ceiling safely. Because we'll have a platform and we don't have to use safety harness. You're not supposed to use a safety harness inside anyway. It just seems silly. How high could you be inside?
In this house?
Oh, I guess it's probably high enough.
Yeah. Making some progress on the platform.
Well, is it starting to make more sense? Or did you know what I was doing?
It's starting to make more sense.
That's the easy way to do it, I suppose. feeling?
Oh, getting a bird's eye view. It's a very solid platform.
Yeah, we'll find out. That's probably close to the max once one or two of us gets out there and the walkboard and the lumber.
Yeah, it seems to be
Oh, I don't.
bowing a bit.
I think that's your imagination, personally.
Could be.
Just temporary putting stuff in.
That'll work.
Better than not temporary.
Yep,
It's wiggly.
I'm sure.
What do you think?
I think it looks nice.
Looks like a platform.
Looks like a platform. Looks like a floor.
Actually, it's a wall built on the side.
Oh,
It's a long ways down.
yes it is.
It doesn't seem like it's 20 or something feet down. Now it almost seems like a work platform.
Yeah. You just have to mind that first step.
Or don't make it.
Yeah.
Don't take that first step.
Don't take the first step.
As long as the ladders hold and the walkboard holds and the other stuff holds, and it's gonna be perfect.
It'll be perfect.
It's gonna be a lot easier to take this drywall and plaster down.
Mm-hmm.
I promise.
It's got some pretty good cracks in it. So we have some stuff to put over the railing so it won't damage it. Getting some bracing up to make it a little more sturdy.
Lots better.
Good.
It has to be good because this is gonna hold up the roof on this side. So it's usually a good idea.
Yes, it is.
I wouldn't necessarily have a dance party up here, but I think it's safe enough.
Yeah?
As long as you don't think about what's below you.
Just, it's a ways down. So we've got to put that 2x4 in.
Yep.
Okay. That's, will it go around those ones that are in the ladders?
I've got to make it work.
Okay. What are you doing, Mia? What are you doing? Huh? Silly girl. Silly Mia. Silly Mia. Do you want to play?